Peace FM 104.3. Who to me take?
Yes.
Unim.
Meet him in here.
Sadie we yanhwe ne ye. Human right abuse. Child right abuse. Na ya ntutu sa nyama ne ye e wo meima. Chairman, ebetwi nyama bebree e de abafem.
Meet here.
Ye nyina yeti ane anope. Eti fo mutie nyina se bi. Nipa ni afika kra 40 years na above kweko school. Ehwe the way ananka etie those days oko school. Relation between student, pupils and teachers. Any near koso ene. We schools mo chairman. Idea yanjai say we'll be following the West with our eyes closed. Maybe they could see one the chairman. Yebeso na yayira. And yayeni de kan nyina ya na esi o. Ene kola na omaba no. Omo ye different. Society bia ne the way a omodi ne nkrofo.
Thank you.
Society bia omo norms. Omodi modi omodi they are bringing in every society. And to the fast say obi wo America. Na identity e bi di mano. Obi wo Europe na dey tell bi di mano en kire se we Ghana nya kola usuko school ye fa the same tie ne fama more society no en conforming with our culture and our way of doing things bane ye nyina da ne abrofo prekope obi a won right obi atime ne ope obi atime correct obi a in those days even your community chairman you don't need your father or your senior brother to correct you. Obi be when you achi ubia. Oya bone otimechi okwa twamba. E ko report to my parents. E my parents kwa koda na se.
O ho anso mbe twamba.
O twa ne ba woni maka ho. Oya bone wo fia. Awofo me gata me di wo ko teacher ho. O ma meji na ho na ye twamba obi anim. But next prof said, awofo ne bitimi sorry ko free efie ko school. Eko super teacher ni ne bonni ane se ordination da kaneba ko ese ademba da ni nkosua ordination kan enye ti se okodu ye school ma reality ni se a teacher for bebre oho mo so adan kola ne ye da enye but menka on to one na mo bia because the so called right for ya nyina ya nya atwumie enti chama ye ko school ye kola as well as primary school. Open school 12 o'clock and answer 1 o'clock. O ma me no papa kwefu a we duane ye share the kwefu. And to an kwa just say lunch no nya bi. Because you need to be there. Say be ya obey fie bet ni fire would be there be fie. Ene o papa e go kwa adwuma ka na akola say bra na be gwa no go kwefu a. Yes yo. Child labor. Child labor. Men ko bo ano. Me wa dad say adwuma o ye. Ah so from kola brem no na usua. Now also no you get used to it. Our break nani papa ye adwuma on factory. No post school no ko factory so ko hwe dia. Oh, osia mentoring. They are guiding him. Hey, and they are mentoring. Bahade okoko efuo dia e child labor. Ene nyina ye de tete ho na ye di ye kan see ya de ko. See, we need to go back to the basics. I met my great grandmother. Also ko school do those were first and 5 this and then. Chama ma mi abi wait on all kind Bible. Now Ubisa say at that time nipa ben na mo chiro made. Most of them were taught by people teachers. We just immediately after them. They were guiding and teaching them. And they share the caliber of people who are teaching us in all our schools. And not we call primary school. Only obi clock that 3 masters. On share the primary school. And they can win now. But then tina bibia ekofem. The standards are going low. But the person be pay waka. Ena ye di agro. Many asi was at school. I agree. Test na eba mo ka say enye a peculiar case. Enka no some of these things may be going on in our schools. Benam say social media ni ho. Phone say ni ho nti ebia man for Anthony Bebre say. Because me can say at the time cry invest Lego higher first degree cry. And your man be an no, but Facebook be any WhatsApp me or even though had phones. Any most of the phones can not camera. And to be intimate child picture crana, I be Pierre Bonda better than us. Yeah. But ne Ujina concert or talking crowd, that's what say Obia child say, Una talking Kiwana.
And they come the one here.
I don't see some Jama hiding. Enti media na America ko sini say. Ye nyina he awofo na teacher for adwuma. We are supposed to collaborate and build a child up. And you say teacher na ti ho na awofo na ti ha. We need to come together. Ninga ya kweme na be faso ya be ti akola no. Enti awofo should have the call to go to the school. Oh teacher, me ba no e de na ekoso, e de na wan say. Those days teachers didn't come to our houses to come and engage our parents. Akolaba school order, and then a problem, and you be on done them with na. And I say, you don't idea on tears. So the teacher understands from the parents' perspective. Nentia akolano timinya anyway, and then that relation between teacher and parent is no more there. Move in PTA meeting on back. And fun home. Reality is how many hours do these kids spend with their teachers? How for economic challenges? Obi asore 5 o'clock or kwejuma. Obi do 10 o'clock akolana da. So even though they live under the same roof for 1 week, chama on in the background and na say mbon komo ye. Become. So there is a major problem that person within the educational sector they are any acquainted adwin wo nyama nyina no. Ebi ya se empe mu nka. Na call back to the base. What do we do? Where did we get it wrong? I can appreciate Nentia. Decision at school now take it say your man could have boarding house or make take that decision. Jama open she in a system like that. You see, group dynamics. Mu e kum na mu doso. Na mu ya there. Often you forget say you join or you came there from your individual homes. We background here different though. Ebia honorable ti hey. E pamon na the free school. Dem pa de be kwa abreche. Ebia me ye pam ya me kwa ko twa be wo mi krase. But once you are in a group, we say as colleagues and friends, we don't remember where we are coming from again. Now you want to punish this way to serve as a deterrent. Because Kuma Ekwe, in Kolani Doso, 1,000 students. 7 Akwe be say, Usio, your job no more continue fear. Guidance when they will fear, any say, one per more muswa. The over 900 students na K school hono. What message are you giving them? What you serve as a written? Because Kolani be owa. I've talked before time in America. So I can say, oh yeah, my boy. So I bank one day I don't come here. Because I'm 50 grand of a boy now, no budget. Fun no. So I say I don't know the punishment now. Unye I don't know better amount. Obenya na phobia and na job so they adre yi. Enti me assure say the school authorities ehwe nyama nyina yi. The good thing is I heard they consulted even the parents in arriving at this decision. Oh yeah, concerned parents na BBC have to obey. And every day I say the chairman, hey, oh yeah, the papa, oh the nimunyam, the bro ho, wa ofo, e kura ofriso, e no me ofri mu nyina. Sanso na kwa akoye bone a enim guase a odi brain krofo a o mebe onyira no, enya easy. Na esi, o ma mi ze apia bonti a Ghana enya atwum, obi be se na e ba de on de oso abofo. Oba na enya akogina school no akogwe busan nyina anim ase. Nse basa na be fi mu aba. I think that we should respect the decision of the school. These children should remain in the house. We should get counseling services for them as being proposed. Parents, any come so. Teacher for no mobile school, I won't any course so. My push them aside. But just so to let other students know, say, near course on any idea, ye for so we go school in any mass. And to remain the body and say, me, I am all for it.
SKK says those we
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.